Alrighty guys, hey, welcome back to the Blue Ocean Market Kitchen. I'm Chef Anthony here. We're gonna go over tuna poke, something that we're gonna start doing here. I just kind of wanted to get that out on this platform. But I also want to encourage you guys to do this at home, get around the table, hang out with the family. It's real easy, it's real fun. You can get almost everything you need for it here at Blue Ocean. Well, you can get the tuna for sure. That's the important part, right? But we do have a lot of other things that you can use, and we're gonna start putting some stuff here together for you so you guys can see what's going on with tuna poke. The most important thing for your tuna poke is this gorgeous sushi grade yellowfin tuna. We wanna learn how to cut this correctly so that our poke has the right bite and the right chew. Most of you would think just to cut this straight up and down and we're gonna call it good. We're actually gonna turn it on its side and we're gonna cut it this way, across the grains. And then we're gonna dice it. We want this to have some texture, some mouthfeel. All right, here we go. As similar sized cubes as we can get, right into our little bowl. Again, there they are, coming up beautiful little cubes. Right there, as we can see that. All about the same size because we want it to marinate and flavor exactly the same. Last but not least. Okay, now that we have our beautiful yellowfin in the bowl, it's time to start building the flavors, okay? We're gonna start with a little soy sauce, just to start it off. A little bit of chili. This is Thai chili, also available at the shop. This is some candied ginger. Right in there like that. A little traditional poke sauce. Right there. Our first layer of sesame seeds. A little hint of lime. And some scallions. We're gonna go ahead and mix this up. And you already see how it's taking on that color, and that aroma is absolutely amazing, guys. All right, we're gonna add a few more sesame seeds, a touch more of the ginger, sprinkle more of the poke. I'm gonna add a few sliced shallots. Again, this is gonna give us some crunch and some interest and some depth in what we're doing. We want all of this to be happening in our mouth at different times. We want to be really using our palate on this one. This one is just fantastic. All right, cool. Poke built. Alrighty guys, so now we've started to build our bowl. We have our poke right here. I mean, if you guys can see what's happening here, this has just turned to an incredible color. Look at the vibrant color on there. And the smell, it is intoxicating. Let me tell you, I am super hungry right now. I have not eaten lunch, so I'm looking excited right now for some lunch. So we want to add some traditional flavors and some non-traditional flavors. We're going to add some cilantro. We're going to come back and add some more of our noodles here. Again, looking for some of that crunch. So we're going to come back in and add a few pieces of of shallot, like that. We're going to add a few bits of lime. We're gonna add our poke. And remember, this is gonna help dress all of those noodles underneath, guys, so don't panic. So now we have our bits and our pieces right here. We can add a few more things of cilantro up here if we like. Maybe a few more cucumber noodles right there, if we like. A few scallions, just to go right on top. Some sesame seeds for everything. Last little squeeze of lime juice. And a little scallion. There's your poke bowl, guys.